Here in Central Florida, my grapevine was looking horrible, y'all. Just horrible. To the point where I just couldn't take it no more. So I decided to come out here and trim her down and get rid of all these dead leaves. I had so many caterpillars all on her. So I decided to go ahead and trim her down. We have some cold days, but nothing like that. Like I said, we're in Central Florida, so we really don't get cold. But it was the look that I couldn't take anymore. But as I started trimming her down, look what I found. I have grapes still growing. Lesson learned. Don't rush Mother Nature. I got grapes.